Are we still rolling?
Oh, we are.
Okay, all right.
This is Dad's rap. Take one.
Dad's rap. Okay, so if you want your wife to really love you, if you really want to win some brownie points from Mama and the wife, take the baby off her hands for a little bit. Now this is a lame device called the Mom Cozy, which is actually pretty clutch once you figure it out. You just do it like so. Keep the part with these little rings in the back. Take the baby. This took me a little bit of practice, so you're definitely gonna want, I don't know, somebody to help you spot. Bring the legs here. But little babies here for the YouTube channel. He'll be fine, don't worry.
Okay, no more. No more. Ugh.
No more with the baby. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. What's next?